Colin was a loser and he never held a job. Then Granny Franny snuffs at leaving him a house and dog. She's left him out of bed from peddling the pet. This cowboy needs a job fast. Local radio wants a DJs in the lunch, but they need a DJ for the language slot. He can't speak the tongue, he's really in the tongue. It's a dog song with a dingo. Wait, the dingo speaks the lingo. Yay.
Ah, state of those nets.
Oh, Gránna.
Cumberland!
Never a dull moment.
Cumberland! Give me aspirin. I feel like I've been hit over the head by a tree. What happened to me yesterday? Oh.
Anything about naked, drunken egg throwing, is there? That's a blank.
So much fun.
We do
it
with
with
our
our
friend.
friend.
Scrallum who.
What about the drive-by wigging? That ring any bells?
Yo!
Scrallum who.
Or how about your attempt at extreme nude window cleaning, using only your tongue?
Oh no.
I did warn you against that half a shandy.
Half a shandy? How'd I get so hammered?
Ah, cherchez la femme.
Stop speaking Irish.
Of your life flaky, I mean Frankie.
Gotcha, ja.
You had flowers and a well-worn phrase?
Wish me luck.
I had a date with a bucket.
It's Scrallum who. It's Scrallum who. It's Scrallum who.
Good luck. As usual, your complete inability to grasp the laws of inertia resulted in you making the entrance with all the grace. Suffice to say, your presentation was somewhat lacking, except perhaps with Prue, who as a barmaid is used to handling miniatures. That was the point you decided to become a shandy-soaked lush.
It's all starting to come back to me now. And the day started so well. Do you remember?
How could I forget?